In this video, I'd like to do a quick unboxing of what you're going to get inside of the box of this USB 3000. This is the DStv Wi-Fi connector. It comes with a user manual, comes with the actual Wi-Fi dongle itself. It is 2.4 and 5 gigahertz compatible, so that's quite handy. And it's got this handy USB extension, so we can connect this up to our decoder, then put this on top of our TV cabinet or on top of the TV or something along those lines. And you can see it simply slots in like that. When you plug this into your decoder, and when you insert it into there, the decoder will automatically launch an installation wizard that will help you connect your decoder through to your wireless network. Please do make sure that you have sufficient coverage of your Wi-Fi. If you're trying to plug this in and it has to connect to your Wi-Fi router that's installed a couple of 100 meters away, you're going to have connectivity issues. If you guys have got any questions or comments, or you need some help with your installation, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to help you.